Here I have XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Battery Saver. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can don't wake screen for notifications when this mode is enabled. You can turn off always on display. You can also turn this mode off when your device is 15% charged or fully charged. And you can also set up a schedule for this mode, where you can select start time and end time of this schedule. So yeah, and that's all the settings for this mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.